So hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a music bot to your Discord server. For example, this is my demo server I just created to make this video. So you just need to click on your server, and from your server's name, as you can see, this is my server name. Just click the down arrow, and from here just click server settings, and after clicking server settings, go to app directory, and from here you just need to type jockey music. Okay, music. So yeah, this is jockey music. So you just need to click here once, and from here just need to add to server. After that, just click continue and authorize. It will take some time to authorize, and just click I'm human, and boom, it has been added to my server. So let's go to my server. As you can see, this was my server and the jockey music bot has added, and these are the basic commands to run the bots. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.